Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this particular living room over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like we'll be continuing with the texturing part. So let's just select this couch area. Let's just select this all and let's go into the material editor and let's assign a fabric material. So let's go into this, take a V-Ray material, sofa, I'll just name it. Let's go into this diffuse bitmap and let's assign the texture for that. So what I can do over here is like I can assign a texture for it. So again go into this, let me check out. Alright. After that, select this. Let's go into this, go into UVW map, set it as a box, select this UVW map. So I'll be assigning a UVW map for this all over here. Select this UVW map. Select this. So just go on assigning this UVW map modifier and we'll do some changes over here. Give again a UVW map. So I want to change this. Select this. Again give. So let's keep on assigning this UVW map all over it. Set it as a box. Okay. After that, once you have assigned it, now what I can do over here is like I can texture this pillows over here. So let's again go into the material editor. Let's take again a V-Ray. Okay, before that, I'll just add a bit of noise over here. So let's take a noise and let's connect it to the bump map. Go into the noise and let's give 0.1 over here for the noise. Again go into this, take a V-Ray material, go into this bitmap and we have taken some of the textures for the pillows. Let's just assign those textures. Again go into this and give a UVW map as usual. Go into the material. I can just rename this as cushions or pillows, whatever. Again take a V-Ray material, bitmap. So assign this. Keep on assigning the textures over here for all of this. So whatever we have downloaded for this cushions, we can just assign that. Alright. So once you're done, I'll just save the file. So now what I can do over here is like, we can assign one texture over here for this. So for that, again I'll take a V-Ray material and I'll name it as couch texture. Also you can name it. Go into the bitmap and let's take this fabric texture over here. So I've assigned this a kind of a fabric texture. You can just select this whole thing. Alright. After that, we'll be assigning a bronze shader over here. How we can assign a bronze shader? For that, let's go into the material. After that, let's take a V-Ray material and let's just name it as bronze over here. So I want to assign a bronze shader over here, and let's go into this and let's give some color values over here for the bronze. So let's assign the color. After that, we'll be going into the reflection parameters. Let's give some reflection parameters over here. Alright. Our glossiness, will keep it around 7 or 8 over here. And your Fresnel IOR, I'll keep it as till 17. Your subdivision levels, I'll increase it. And your max depth, I'll keep it as 7 over here. So just assign this. So as you can see, you can just try to render it and see. We'll definitely check out the settings over here for the rendering later on. So I have assigned a bronze shader over here. Okay, there are a lot of glitches in the render setup. We'll do it later on. So select this part. Select this part. Let's go into the border. Sorry. Select this area till here. And go into the material and let's again give a bronze shader. Give a bronze shader over here for this all. So you can easily assign a bronze shader over here. After that, let's assign one more fabric material over here for this. So we can assign. So let's again go into the material editor. Let's take a V-Ray material. That's for your cloth over here. Let's go into the diffuse bitmap, and let's just check out some kind of a light fabric material. I can also assign this light fabric material. It'll definitely look good over here. And let's give a UVW map for it. Much better. It's giving you good contrast. You can make it a bit lighter also. Alright. So select this part. Select the vertices. The polygons. Go into the material editor again. Take a V-Ray material. And let's take a bit of a darker color. And let's give a bit of reflection for this. Okay, because of its darkness I cannot see the shader. You can assign it a bit lighter also, not a problem. You can definitely assign. We need to select this whole thing and then assign it. Alright. I think we can change this texture for this. We'll be taking some closer one that would look much better. So I'll just change this. For that I can just go into this and I can call another texture over here. So I'll just take a new texture over here. Okay, I think this is a bit better. And for this couch I can just take some another texture. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. As you can see, we have textured few of the things with the fabric materials over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.